What's up, y'all? Cool Jacket got here once again, and I've been hearing like a lot of people complaining about the cost of filming and photography and stuff like that. All right, so look, I got a quick DIY for you on how to do your rap videos by yourself without any external help. You need a little bit of stability and you need a little bit of patience as well, because it's going to be hard for you to focus, especially if you have a DSLR. But you really only need a few things. One being a tripod. 2, LED lights, preferably multicolor LED lights that's Bluetooth enabled. 3, you gotta have your DSLR. And if you don't have your DSLR, you can use your iPhone. So there you have it. All you need is your tripod, your DSLR, and some Bluetooth enabled multicolor light bulbs. Oh, and of course, you need a beat, right? Go get a beat from somewhere, a beat that has 100% free royalties that you can use for mixtape purposes only without selling, so you don't get copyright laws or copyright infringement and your video gets taken down. So that's all you really need, man. Last tip, and this is a slept on tip. It seems kind of minuscule, but it works. One thing that I find very, very productive and efficient when recording myself, whether I'm doing vlogs or I'm talking or doing music videos or speeches, tutorials, whatever, one thing I find very, very effective is rehearsing yourself and recording yourself multiple times. So say, for example, the first verse of your music video, you might be this close to the camera, you know, right in front of the camera. You do your whole verse that time. Try to stay on beat with your words and, you know, just normal stuff. Just try to stay on beat for the most part. Then the second time you do a verse, do each verse twice. The second time you do it, should be back a little more. I like to do this, like I be extremely close initially, and then after that verse is done, take a step back, change my background a little bit, or I turn to the side, double expose, you know what I'm saying, multiple things. And I'm gonna show y'all what we come up with. I already did the beat, I already got the beat, bounced the beat out, wrote the verse. The song is only 2 minutes long, but this is just a quick DIY, do it yourself. I'll be right back, and y'all gonna see the results.
The gods do not reward complacency.
Japanese dinner with the fatal. Cool Jacket's got her amazed. Been written off my whole life. Guess safe to say I done turned the page. Got golly ways. Stepped aside, glanced in her eyes. Bought on my ties. Plus a friend fought over free rides. It's going down. Hashtag QP slide. Fuck y'all all haters. Closet fans hide behind curtains. Rap dudes I dissect perfect. Got the house, yeah, the master surgeon. Burn your body and leave just a temple. To give my girl my scalpel and let her scalp you. Laugh, followed by a quick prayer. Burn the remaining tissue.
You cannot kill.
You cannot kill what you cannot.
You cannot kill. You cannot kill.
That's on everything. They think we do it, but it's not for the